Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a video and it was just a get ready with me, showing you guys my everyday makeup and what I put on and how I try to hurry up and get ready while I'm here with my daughter. And so it was just kind of what I do every day to my makeup and how fast I have to hurry up and get ready. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to let it be a talk through, but like I said, my daughter was sitting right here with me in her high chair and she was starting to get a little fussy, so I don't know how that's going to end up playing out. So if it's okay and it's not too much, I'm going to go ahead and just go through with the talk through, but if not, I will go ahead and do a voiceover. So yeah, if you guys want to see my everyday makeup and how I get ready with my baby, then go ahead and keep watching. And if you like these videos and there's anything else you want to see, let me know, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys. Foundation on, and I did a little bit of liquid bronzer. I just used the LA Girl Pro concealer for a bronzer. Yeah, and then now I'm gonna put concealer, and I use the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. I don't know if it's focusing. There it goes. So I'm just trying to hurry up because, like I said, she's starting to get a little bit cranky. I think she's getting ready for her nap. So you might hear her whining a little bit. I'm not sure what we're gonna do just yet. Usually on Wednesdays we meet my husband for lunch, but I'm not sure if we're gonna do that today just because I bought some stuff for lunch yesterday when I went to the grocery store, so I might just go ahead and eat here. Mama, my hair looks so crazy. I just kind of try to throw a headband in there to keep it out of my face. So lately she hasn't been letting me do my makeup. She wants me to get her out. I usually try to put her in her high chair while I do my makeup. I have her crawling around in here. We're in her nursery. I'm recording in her nursery because I had her crawling around in here playing with toys, but she was just getting into everything, and I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get ready. I'm gonna have to just keep stopping to pick her up. Yeah. Banana powder. That's what I always use just to kind of set my concealer, and I just dust off like my nose and forehead and chin, a little bit on my eyelids, and I'll just let this sit here while I do my eyebrows. And I just really poked my eye, and now I feel like it's twitching. I'm gonna water. Can mommy just put on her eyebrows and then we'll take a break? And then I've been using this Sweet Talk Press Powder Palette by ColourPop. This is what I've just been using every day because it has a little bit of shimmers and a little bit of mattes and just stuff I can use every day real quick. So I just take this lighter brown here and dust it all in my eyelid because we ain't got time to do some crazy stuff today because baby girl's cranky and mommy just wants to get on some makeup. And then I take a little bit, oh yeah, I guess it does. It has, I took West Side and now I'm taking Feel Free. And I'm gonna put that on the outer corners just to darken it up a little bit. What up, baby love? And I think I'm gonna take my paws here and see if I can get her to nap if she doesn't stop getting fussy. And then if I do stop, we will continue back when she wakes up, or if she stays down, I'll go ahead and come back and get back on here. So now that I got that eyeshadow on, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off this powder. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? And then I'm just gonna, here you go, set my whole face. I use MAC Studio Fix powder to just set my face, the rest of my face. Okay, so it seems like she's doing okay for now, so I'm gonna just try to hurry up. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face, and I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. Excuse my packaging, it's really beat up. And I'm just gonna bronze like on my forehead real quick, and then my cheeks, a little on my nose, down my neck. If only makeup can get rid of your double chin, right? Oh, I totally hate my double chin. And I've kind of always had like a round face, but after, you know, getting pregnant and all that, I stopped working out while I was pregnant because I was always sick. And it's just like my face just got rounder, obviously, and my double chin just got longer. So I absolutely hate it. Oh, and I just put on blush. I used MAC Gingerly blush. This is my everyday blush that I love to use because it goes with everything. And then I'm gonna take this brow set also from MAC and just run it through my brows to set them. And then after that, it's pretty much done with my powdering on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set my whole face. And I use the all-nighter from Urban Decay. I cannot live without this. First favorite thing to watch me do is set my face. I'm just gonna take this headband off because it looks dumb. I forgot my little card. How do I dry my face? So usually I go on to my eyes, but since I'm not sure if my daughter's gonna let me finish, I'm gonna put on some lipstick real quick. And I'm just using the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie shade, and I use the lip liner that comes with it, and I just line out my lips. I kind of go in a little, I don't fill in the entire lip, but I fill in a good amount. And then I just take the lipstick, which is, like I said, Kylie, and I put that on. This is like my everyday lipstick. This goes with everything. I love it. It's just my go-to lipstick. And then she's doing okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to go for the eyeliner. And I just use, I just use the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna get pretty close to the mirror, so I'm gonna line my eyes. gonna line my waterline with just some, I use Smolder eyeliner from MAC. Okay, so Mila's joining us now. I just need to do a little bit of mascara, which I had given to her and she tossed it to the floor. So I just use Maybelline the Rocket Volume Mascara, this blue packaging one. Oh my god, excuse my nails, I so need to get them done, but I have not had the time. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna just go ahead and put a little bit of mascara, hold on baby, on my, and there goes my brushes. I'm telling you guys, this is real life, every day, how I have to put on my makeup because my husband's at work and it's just me and her pretty much all day. So if I want to get ready, this is how we do it. Okay, so now I just need to do my lashes, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to do that. I just use the Ardell lashes. Let me see if I can put her down. I'm gonna see if she can let me just put some glue on these lashes really quick, and then I'll pick her back up so I can get them on. You girlfriend, I'm watching you. Yes ma'am. So I'm just letting those lashes dry, which is what I usually do, and I should have done while I was putting on my eye makeup, but like I said, I wasn't sure if she was gonna let me get that done, so I didn't want to do that and then they got all tacky. So I'm just kind of letting them get tacky right now while she's sitting here playing on the floor before I can put them on, and then I'm gonna put her down for her nap. Are you okay? Ooh, I never put them on that soon, and so I feel like they're sliding everywhere, but like I said, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, and that's it, those are the lashes. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, and put Mila down for a nap now because she's a little crazy. And I just wanted to show you guys real life how I have to put on my makeup every day if I want to get ready for the day. So yeah, and if you guys have any questions or anything about the makeup or anything that I used, go ahead and leave that down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you've been liking my channel and join my little family here. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Any other videos you guys would like to see, also please give me some ideas. And that's pretty much it. So also, crazy girl, also if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and then we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Yeah, bye. Bye.